Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're exploring the TobenONE USB-C docking station. This is your all-in-one solution for triple monitor support and more. Let's dive into the features that make this dock a game changer. Triple monitor support. Maximize your productivity with triple monitor support. The TobenONE Docking Station offers dual HDMI ports and a DisplayPort, letting you extend your display across 3 monitors for seamless multitasking and stunning 4K resolution at 60 Hz, 2.5 Gbps Ethernet. Experience lightning-fast internet with the 2.5 Gbps Ethernet port, perfect for streaming, gaming, and large file transfers. Say goodbye to lag and slow connections, and hello to high-speed performance. 100-watt power supply. The 100-watt power supply ensures that your laptop stays fully charged, even during heavy use, so you can keep working without worrying about battery life. Stay powered and productive without the fear of power interruptions. 6 USB ports, with 6 USB ports including USB-A and USB-C. You can connect all your peripherals with ease. Transfer data at 10 Gbps speeds, and keep your workflow uninterrupted by accessing all your devices at once. Dual 4K HDMI output. Enjoy crystal clear visuals across dual 4K HDMI outputs. Whether you're editing videos or crunching numbers, the high-definition display ensures that every detail is sharp and clear. Universal compatibility. The TobenONE Docking Station is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Dell, HP, Lenovo, and more. Whether you're using Windows, Chromebook, or Thunderbolt systems, this dock is ready to work with your setup. If you're ready to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, this dock is a must-have. Check out the link below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.